Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm continuing on the fun celebration of Unity Stamp's 10th birthday this week, and I'm going to show you how to make this card. So I've already stamped and colored this brand new Unity stamp here with my Copic markers, and today I'm going to be using the Nuvo gilding flakes in gold. And what I'm going to do here is take a piece of paper and a container and just place all my flakes in there. And today I'll be using the zig glue pen here. You could also use the Nuvo glue pen or any kinds of adhesive here. So what I'm doing here is actually to draw in some different sizes of circles and dots here to create my own background. You could always do whatever patterns that you like or prefer. Once you're done, just let the glue dry for a minute, and that leaves it tacky enough before you do your foiling. Now it's time for the fun part! Just add your gilding flakes to your card and it will stick and adhere to wherever your adhesive is. It kind of looks messy right now, but trust me, it'll look so pretty in the end. Just use your fingers and flatten everything out and rub off the excess from the card, and it will just leave behind whatever design that you've just drawn in before. So for me, it's the dots and circles. One very important tip is that you do not want to turn on any fan or air conditioners when you're doing this, because the gilding flakes will be flying everywhere. Just check out how pretty and shiny these gilding flakes are. So I've also added some gilding flakes to the border of my card using some double adhesive tape. And here I'm just adhering the card to my card base and adding the sentiment along with it, and I'm done. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!